Hi there, students. Indigent, an adjective or a countable noun. Okay, if you describe somebody as indigent, you're saying they are very poor. So he claims to be an indigent artist, but I see him eating in very flash restaurants, so there's no way he could be indigent. Okay, so if somebody is indigent, they're very poor, they're needy, they're poverty stricken, they're very impoverished. Okay, an indigent as a person, somebody who is very poor, the same idea. So there were indigents sleeping in the doorways of shops in the city centre. Um, the charity focused on distribution of food to indigent families, to poor families. Okay, an indigent, a person who is broke, who is destitute, who is very needy. Yeah, they're penniless. Okay, so indigent, poor, poverty stricken, without any cash. An indigent, a charity for indigent street people. Yeah, indigent artists. Okay, so well, being indigent it means you are very needy. You lack the basic necessities. You're in serious need of cash and food. You don't have enough for food or clothes or the other necessities of life. Yeah. I think I would only use this indigent talking about money and having enough to get by in life. Okay, so we lived in indigence. There you go, the noun of the quality. Okay, so living indigently is a very difficult thing to do because you have to beg. So formality, this is really quite a formal word. I think I'd probably give it 7.5 in formality. Informally, a tramp, broke, down and out, homeless, very needy. Use it semi-formally in a semi-formal conversation, just about better in a semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, indigentum, from indigere, to need. Yeah, so indigentum, somebody who needs something. From indu, in, within, and egere, to be in need of, to want. Okay, so indigent, poor, destitute, broke, poverty stricken, impoverished, needy, strapped for cash. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Indigent.